Good morning. Hi, everybody. Welcome to another day. Today, well, it's another long day. I really woke up like 5 o'clock this morning and I've been trying to finish editing my video, but my mind was not working with me. Hey, welcome. If you don't know who I am, this is Esif, your girl from all things fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So today I've just got ready because I'm going to a city. If you don't know what a city is, it's just like an x-ray, but a different one where you are being put in that round thing and they check on inside what's going on, because I've been having pain on my side. They burst, and so they took the blood test, nothing is there, they don't find anything. So I had to I have to go to the city. So I'm going there to get checked so that I will know what's killing me, what is paining me. So by the way, look at my nails. They are looking amazing. Oh, they just look the same like my lips. Okay, look at this. I'm in love. Although I was not really happy with the color, I chose another color and I think they didn't have it, so they just decided to change. In fact, it's looking lighter. Normally it's looking darker. The camera is looking different. So by the way, this is my nails for Christmas. So yeah, now I just want to take just a nap, just a half an hour nap before I leave, because I'm really dozing. I'm falling asleep. I just came from the doctor again to bring my I don't want to even say it. I had to take a test with my poo, so I had to take it there. Now look at my makeup, guys. It's amazing. I'm in love with it. And this is my Christmas tree. So guys, I will see you later. I'm trying to take a nap and then I will get going. So this is the way back from the appointment. I was not supposed to film. They don't allow anybody to film at the building. I would understand that there were a lot of people who are sick, private is on all that stuff. Anyway, I'm on my way back home. So just see the beauty of this place. I was there for so long. I was supposed to be there around 1:20 and I was there in time. And then they start a process. You have to fill some information, and then after that you get a full cup. It's around like 400 milliliter of this solution. You drink it within 45 minutes, and then after that they will take you to another section where you're going to be they will going to ask you some few questions. The doctor will talk to you, ask you some few questions. They going to get you ready for the city. So the thing also they did, they had to inject me and put me like a canal where they had to put some infusion, and then after that they put some medicine where it goes inside my body and they can see clearly when they are doing the x-ray. So that was the process which went on. And now just kind of really tired. It's almost 5 o'clock. Since imagine one, I drove there around 12:30. We went out the house, and now it's around 5 when we are going home. From our home to that place is like 40 minutes. So yeah, that's how it is. So we are in our town right now going home. And look the way beautiful it is at the moment. Although the trees are just lost their leaves and everything, but still you can see the beauty of the town here and there. It's another side of the town, so somebody who knows this area know what I'm talking about. I love this place. They like decorating so nicely. It's another restaurant on the hotel, so it looks amazing. So, and up there you can see our place where we call Hercules. A lot of people, they come always to visit it. It's a historic place. So yeah, if you are around here one day, just go there. Don't miss this, because it's an amazing place to learn some few history and all that stuff. So now, yeah, we are on the way, and I'm so glad that when I'm home that I can just have a rest. They have decorated here and there some Christmas. It's a Christmas market, but nobody is here around right now. I guess, yeah, people are working day. People are just don't feel. So back home. Yeah, I'm so glad the appointment went well. They didn't find really anything that could be serious. I'm so glad. So now it's time to get to see what I'm going to do next. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, guys. Another day. Yeah, well, I've been so busy since in the morning, but now I am getting ready. As you can see, I'm going to a funeral, so I need to dress really warm because it's so cold outside. So I just have this pullover, black one with some silver inside, and then so guys, this is some pants. Hi guys, so yeah, I'm wearing really warm socks in my boots because that place is like a refrigerator, and as for me, I need to be warm, guys. By the way, this is my outfit. Yeah, this black pullover. Yeah, the pants, they're warm ones, they're really warm. These are the boots I'm wearing because, well, funeral black. Last time I didn't wear black shoes. I wore my really warm boots, but they were not black. Guys, look at this. This is the outfit. And then we're going to be wearing a black shawl and a black scarf and the jacket. Then we are good to go. Then guys, we are good to go. Then I have a hat, which I'm going to wear like that, guys. What do you think? I know it's not a fashion time, but that's how we're gonna be keeping ourselves warm and become sick. So guys, that's it. Christmas time, and you know, it's almost Christmas and people are passing away. It's so bad, but anyway, as God's wish. he was so sick, and anyways, that's how it is. So guys, I will see you later when I go pick up my car as well. So ready to go, guys, ready to go. Black leather gloves, and we are out, ready to go. So see y'all later. Bye bye. Hi guys, so how are you doing? I just came to pick my car from the inspection. Now driving home, and it was a funeral. As you can see me, I'm still in black. I just came from the funeral straight to this place to get my car, cause man, yeah, we need to. I just want to go home and eat something and just chill and warm myself, cause girl, that is cold today, really cold guys. So now go home and enjoy the rest of the day. Nothing much. Halde Clapper, what is wrong with you? Are you babying? Anyways guys, my day was just, when you just go to a funeral, something like a funeral, it's not cool. It's not cool. It's everything sad, but like sometimes when somebody is just has really gone through a lot with the sickness, and we have just to appreciate when they have their rest, because it's too bad to lose somebody, but it's sometimes we have to to accept that they have their rest, because you won't like to see every time when somebody is just really like suffering. Anyway, we leave about that topic. We talk about something different. So guys, what are you up to for Christmas? Christmas is around the corner. Actually, I haven't done nothing. I haven't even got any Christmas presents. I'm the kind of person, I always do the last minute thing. Always. Every time I do always the last minute thing. So it's anyway, I'm taking my time, because sometimes you really don't know what people want, and I don't really like buying things that somebody will just don't like, and you're wasting money and they are not happy about it. So sometimes I even prefer just either you buy something and I give you money back, and I know you like it, it's something you just chose yourself, or yeah, I just give you money. That's how it is. Or I know exactly it's what you really want, and I will just buy it for you. But normally I just during the whole year I just try to find out, ask questions, and you get an idea of what people are wishing, and then you just putting the notes down. At the end of the time, you just have your list, and yeah, get your presents here and there. Yeah, that's I don't have a lot of people to give presents anyway. We are just few of us, and back home, like my parents back in another country, yeah, I just send money and they have amazing Christmas, and that's it. So that's how I do it every year. Really? driving license from, they just picked it on the road or some. So crazy. Anyway guys, I'm just driving home guys. I will see you when I'm home, because yeah, what else would somebody want? Oh, it's been a long day. Enough. Earlier on I was kind of really tired. I could just fall asleep, especially in a funeral home. I was almost falling asleep, because when it didn't took long, I was glad that they just did a quick ceremony and people were done, and we could just go put him in a resting place, and then we just left. So guys, just back in the area. I will see you guys later at home. So see you guys.
Ja, ich hab's auch gesehen.
Was?
Rosen.
So guys, just coming from dinner. Going home. It's 23 o'clock at night. Wow, I didn't expect to stay long, but here we go.